Alright, there's some red flags before we start this bad boy. 144 grams. We're going to have to divide that by 1,000, right? Because there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So this is going to be 0.144 kilograms. And that's the mass, right? And we have the baseball is held 85 centimeter from the axis of rotation. So I believe that is going to be my radius. So that's okay. But it's 85 centimeters. Centimeter bad, meter good. There's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. Bub by centimeters. I should have said bub by grams up there. Bub by. And this is 0.85 meters. That should say mass, not meters. And that's the radius. And then I have one more, 85 miles per hour. So I'm doing these in red. 85 miles for every 1 hour. Let's get that to meters per second. So I need to times that by, multiply, 1 mile is 1609 meters, but by mile. And then 1 hour is 3,600 seconds, but by hours. So basically I'm left with meters per second, which is a good thing. So let's go 85 multiplied by 1609 divided by 3,600. Careful of your order of operations. I'm going to round that bad boy to 38 meters per second, and that's my velocity. Now, we can finally get started, right, Payne? Just to get started. A, what's the ball's centripetal acceleration? A equals v squared over r. My v we just did, 38 meters per second. And my radius, we did that like an hour ago, 0.85 meters. So I already have that 37.99 in my calculator. I'm going to square it, then divide it by that 0.85. And I should get an acceleration of about 1,700, yes? Meters per second squared. It could also be 1.7 times 10 to the third meters per second squared. Let's do part B. Part B says, what is the magnitude of the net force? The force is mv squared over r. My mass, didn't we do this a long time ago? 0.144 kilograms. The velocity, been there, done that, right? 38 meters per second. We'll square that, and my radius, again, 0.85 meters. So 38 squared multiplied by 0.144, and divide that whole thing by 0.85. I should get an okay number here. 244 newtons. Remember, force is newtons. About 244 newtons, 240 if we go sig figs to 2, but 244 seems to be good enough for me. Now that I look at my calculator again, maybe it should be 245. Nobody really cares. I wouldn't mark that wrong on the test, so let's not worry about it. Bye-bye.